This is an overview of the Piggy terminal app that's currently under heavy development. This application, when you start the application, you will see a bar at the top. This is a heavily inspired by Bloomberg terminal where you enter commands and you can quickly get to see what you need to see. You can enter all your commands in this bar here. Next is the menu bar. When you click on the menu bar, you're able to toggle widgets on the page. Let's say the news, I don't like the news, I can toggle it off. Or if I don't like the CNBC box down here, I can just turn it off. You can click on the help to see the help menu, and where you can see a list of commands supported by the terminal. Also some contact information. So let's go back to the app. Down here, you'll see the latest stock tickers for Dow Jones, SPY, and NASDAQ. This is automatically switched over to futures when it's after market, which we are currently in, and you can see that the NASDAQ future has went up by 0.58%. Very useful. It's auto updating. Just leave it on the side of your windowed browser, your desktop, and it will auto update. This area is your watch list. This is where you enter a list of stocks that you are interested in watching, and it will show up in here. The price here are up to date and in real time, and it reflects pre-market and after-market prices. Next is the news box. Here you can see a list of news that are updated very frequently from all over the web and all about the information about some of the most popular stocks in the world, about technology, about politics. Very useful data for traders. If you want more news, click on more button down here and you'll see more news. This is auto updated, so every couple of minutes you're going to see new news. And when something new comes in, you're going to hear a sound in the app and it'll tell you that there's something new. Very useful when you're actually trading and not paying attention. Down here is the unusual options box. This box shows data from all the exchanges where there were unusual orders that were placed in. Our algorithm will detect these orders and then display the data to you in a clear, organized manner. Here, as you can see, all the latest all the latest options coming in, ordered by the cost, total cost. So the higher the cost it is, the more likely that somebody's betting on something that they think will happen. You can also order this thing by dates to expiration, so you can see that things will be expired very soon, and somebody placed in a $6 million for Facebook put at 195 on 2 days to expiration. So that's a huge bet. So they probably know something you don't. I don't know, but this is just information for you to digest when you trade. You can also filter the information by volume to open interest ratio, which is the higher it is, the more unusual this options order is. So very useful data. So it will auto update every couple of minutes, and when you have a new information come in, it will also make a sound and you'll know exactly what's going on. Down here is the Wall Street Bets daily thread chat. This will auto update as well. Every couple of seconds, you will see all the latest chats from people, and they're very entertaining, and sometimes they contain very nice information that you may not know. So let's say Trump is giving a press conference. You see the real-time reaction from people down here, and they will, give you an idea what people are thinking. So usually I dock this whole app on the side of my window and have my trading app on the right side, so you can have all the information you need in one tiny window. And don't forget this CNBC radio button on the bottom right. When you click play, you're going to hear the audio feed from CNBC television channel. So you don't even need to have CNBC subscription. You can just click on play and you'll hear all the live newscasts from CNBC. I find that extremely useful. Let's go over some commands. So if you go into the terminal, type in markets, you'll see the latest stock prices, the latest stock that were traded by volume, the most gainers today, and most losers today. So this is very useful to you to quickly take a look at which stock has the biggest movement today. Now let's go back to the watch list. How do you start a watch list? Well, you can start a watch list by doing watch list Apple, Facebook, Microsoft. So this will reset your watch list to a list of stocks that you just put in. Let's say you saw something new and you really like it, you want to add it to your watch list. You can do watch add. Let's say Zoom. As you can see, Zoom appear right behind it. And let's say you lost a lot of money on Facebook and you don't want to watch it anymore. You can do watch rem for watch remove, Facebook. And then Facebook's gone. Very useful. Now, if you want to know information about a particular stock, you can do $ the symbol. Just type that in and you'll see information about the Facebook right here. So you'll see the aftermarket data, the current day's data, the price that it was traded at today, and then the general information about the stock. Here you can see the recent upgrades and downgrades by big firms. Very useful. And then the news box will now reflect all the latest news from Facebook. So as you can see for research, this is extremely useful. You can also get to this screen by clicking on a particular stock symbol in your watch list. So let's say Microsoft. Now all the data is reflecting about Microsoft. It's a very useful widget to show you the information you need quickly. And that is it for this application. It's very simple, very small, and very information rich. The goal was to get this to be as powerful as I can without overwhelming the user. So if you guys want to check out the app, go to piggyterminal.com and you will be asked to enter an invite code. Now for all my viewers, the invite code for this app is Piggy Beta Test. Just type that into the box and you'll be able to grant access to the application. Also join my Discord, and if you have any feedback about the application, so I can take your feedback and improve the app over time. Right now this is completely free, no sign-ups needed, so go check it out guys, piggyterminal.com. The link is also in the description below. I'll see you guys in the chat.